Outfit of the day. I'm being attacked. Rob! It is what it is right now. Sorry I ghosted. We're trying to build shelves. How many girls does it take to build shelves?
They're actually the same.
Oh. La la la. Sweet McGeevers. Rob!
What are the holes for? What are the holes for?
Is that large?
I don't know about that.
Size is beach.
Isn't it? Look, you like a real shop.
Yeah. I can't wait.
Cute stickers.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is a Saturday vlog because today at 11 AM there is a huge enormous restock of our Moving and Grooving t-shirts that have been sold out for a while now. We've sold out twice, which is mental, so I have placed the biggest order I ever have to restock every single size, both colours. I thought I would vlog a little bit of the prep. So today is Thursday, this video is going up on Saturday, and the restock is at 11, so hopefully this will be up at 10 AM on Saturday. Fingers crossed. The studio vlogs are kind of out of chronological order at the moment because I've got a couple of vlogs already filmed that I need to edit still, but I just thought, seeing as it's the restock, I may as well post this today, and then there will be another restock vlog that features arms, which is really nice. That'll hopefully get up quite soon. But it's been a busy couple of days and we've had a busy day today. So Scar was here this morning and we took all of the photos of the new collection, which is launching. So it is our restock and our Halloween collection. So this is our Halloween sticker sheet, which is the spooky season sticker sheet, and there's nothing spooky about it. It's adorable. You are beautiful, a self-love potion, tarot cards. This is my party hat. It's a little cat wearing a witch hat. Keep growing, babe. Mystic Meryl, and you are magic. I love this sticker sheet. A few other single stickers. Some of these are my favorite stickers I've ever made. They're so cute. We have our personality potion, which is a little cup of coffee. Before I have a personality in the morning, I need a coffee. In addition to the gym theme, building the booty, a clear sticker to go on your water bottle. We also have two more little ghosty stickers. This is probably my favorite from the whole launch. Sorry I ghosted. We have You're Beautiful, which is actually on the sticker sheet, but he was so cute I added a few extra details and made him his own little sticker. Everything's fine. My favorite emoji is the upside down smiley face because I think it's completely chaotic. So I just did everything's fine. And a glitter sticker with dancing skeletons that says Ghouls Night on it. It's Ghouls Night. So those are the new products launching. So we're restocking. We have our cute little Halloween stickers in, and this morning me and Scar built this monstrosity. Not gonna lie, it's an eyesore next to my beautiful new shelves, but I need it I need the space, because at the moment the t-shirts are still in boxes and my flat is full of boxes. They are all gonna fit once I've folded and tagged all of them beautifully on this shelf, and I'm so excited. Really easy to grab the size I need. It will free up so much floor space. I can store spare boxes. It's just so much better already. So that is what today has been. We also took all the photos of the products, wrote the descriptions for the products, and everything is going to be okay. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm a bit stressed about it, but I'm excited to finally have Moving and Grooving back in stock. I get messages every single day asking me when it's coming back in stock, so I'm super happy that they finally are. I'm sorry that there wasn't a weekly vlog last week. There is one coming tomorrow. I've just had a mental couple of weeks and my brain has just not been on my side, honestly. So I just vlogged a bit, but the clips from last week will be going in this week's weekly vlog, and I basically took the week off vlogging last week because my head and my heart just were not in it at all, and I was like, what's the point? It would just be the most depressing vlog you've ever seen. So hopefully having 2 videos this weekend kind of makes up for it a little bit. I have packaged up all of the sticker sheets in their packaging. Scar and I did that. And the last big job is finishing up the website. We have all the content for social media basically done. I just need to fold and prep all the t-shirts, and I've run out of labels for the t-shirts. So I'm waiting for those to arrive, hopefully before I need to run out the door at 5:30. So I can try and get some done. Still lots to do, but it's exciting times. So tomorrow's launch day, and I have so much to do today. One of my main goals for the day is to completely reorganize my office / studio. Yesterday you saw we put up those shelves. I have another set of shelves, a narrower set, that I'd like to put up like behind the door here. I mean, I want to completely move the furniture around, but I just don't think it's something that I can do by myself. So for now, I'm just gonna put it up here so that I can get rid of basically all of the cardboard, because this room is overrun with cardboard at the moment. Whether it's like flat packed boxes or boxes of stock, there is just cardboard everywhere and it's driving me mental. So I need to get rid of as much cardboard today as possible, and also I need to finish tagging all of the t-shirts, and I need to finish updating the website. I need to edit all of those pictures. I just need to add the pictures because we've done the descriptions and everything. I just need to add the photos. We've written the email marketing campaigns. I just need to add photos that we took. So that side of things is kind of okay. I need to make an Instagram post to go live, a TikTok to go live. And I also have quite a lot of YouTube work. I have a sponsored video I need to film and edit today. I then also need to edit the video that you're watching now to go live tomorrow morning. I thought maybe you'd like to see me reorganizing my office. You guys love home stuff, so it's kind of home and shop stuff in one video for those of you who aren't that interested in the shop content. Reorganizing my office is a big job for today, but this is what I mean by cardboard. These are all mugs. These are seconds. This is crinkle paper, my packing worms. That's 2 massive boxes of packing worms because I bought it wholesale. These are all flat boxes, so the goal is to build the shelves to put those boxes on so that there's a shelf just for boxes. These cupboards are also full of boxes, so I think I'm going to put the mugs into those cupboards. And then these shelves are looking incredibly bare because I haven't folded all the white t-shirts and barely any of the black t-shirts. So last week I tidied my living room and made it look beautiful, and now it is full of boxes again. All of the cardboard in my living room should be gone, and a lot of, hopefully, the cardboard in here will also be gone. I just need to start. I don't really know where to start, but I just need to do something because it's all sitting here right now. I have lots to get done today, so let's just crack on. And yes, I'm still in my pajamas and will remain in my pajamas until I get ready to go out tonight. Not sorry. Outfit of the day. Alright. Let's go. Play Spotify, please. Embarrassingly long time. They are such eyesores. They are so ugly, but unfortunately it is at the moment the only is what I need. It is what it is right now. I did it. These are all 2 piles deep, folded, tagged. These are extra mediums that I will fold and tag if I sell them. I basically didn't get sent loads of the black mediums a couple of restocks ago, you guys might remember. And they all finally came through, but I don't have space for them in the black medium slot, so I will fold and tag them if I need to. So that's done. It is now 8 p.m. the night before restock. I have a few last things that I need to get done, but I'm just gonna end this vlog now because I need to finish editing this. But I just thought I'd show you kind of where we're at with the setup. Excuse the mess, I basically had to clear this table so that I could fold. I'm watching Bailey's area, but all of the tapes and stuff are usually on here, and I had lunch. Here is the excess head in the cloud stock. Obviously all the stickers and prints live here. Here are all of my boxes now and my envelopes. Finally, I have a home for the tissue paper. Normally it's just laying on the floor, so this is going to be so much better. This is all the cardboard I was talking about, which I'm about to take outside. I'm very excited to get this all out. Oh god, it's all going wrong. I'm being attacked by cardboard. If I go, this will be how I die, I swear. Cardboard just death by paper cut. Sorry, was that dark? I'm watching too much Bailey Sarian. In here are the Moving and Grooving tote bags and the Buy Yourself Flowers tote bags. The Moving and Grooving mugs that are left from the Perfectly Imperfect, as well as the mugs of positivity. They're all ready to go, and then tape and printer. So that is loads of boxes worth of stuff empty. Excuse me. Cardboard. I need to sort the hats because Don't Talk to Me is also restocking tomorrow, so I need to just quality check them, and then they're gonna live up here. There is no more cardboard. All the cardboard. This has been the longest day. I've been at this for 14 hours. 14 hours. I am so exhausted, and there is now no boxes of stock in my living room apart from these, which is new stock that doesn't have a home yet because they're unreleased products. So I'm just going to keep them in the box until I need them, and I need to take this back into my bedroom, and the laundry's there, but there is no longer boxes filling this room. And when I tell you, I just feel so much lighter. Like, oh, our small wins and spooky seasons are ready. Our new stickers, they are labelled and in their new home. Obviously our messy girl pins. Everything is so organised. I'm going to clear this up before tomorrow. I'll set up my packing desk and we're done. I will see you guys in the morning. My work here is done, and now hopefully you guys pick one up if you love the Moving and Grooving t-shirt as much as I do, and as much as so many people do. It's the last restock of this t-shirt, so I've gone big, and I really hope that you guys buy one and love them, as well as the Don't Talk to Me caps. They've been out of stock for a while. Really excited for tomorrow. Very stressed still because I still have to completely do the website. That's my task for this evening, as well as editing this video. So the more I talk, the more work I have to do tonight. So I'm gonna go. Morning. And it's the next day. I had 4 hours of sleep, but it is restock day and it's an exciting day. I thought I would show you the room in daylight. Yeah, the lighting was just not doing it any justice last night. So I thought I would just quickly show you how I woke up to it this morning. And waking up to an organised office just is one of the best feelings, honestly. Look at this. A functional workspace. I even semi-tidied my makeup desk. That desk is still a mess, but I will figure that out before we go live. But here is the office. This wall is obviously chaotic, but it is what it is. I've set out my packing station, got our tape, dopamine deliveries, our big Project Me stickers, our small ones, thank you cards. I need some more business cards. Fragile stickers, all ready to go. I've got the stock count, so I need to put that onto the website now. Order counter, ready and raring to go. Stay hydrated, kids. I need to put some stickers on this. This is a new bottle. I put some of the new stickers on my laptop. So these are the sizes of the sticker sheet stickers. So I love having the sticker sheet stickers amongst the big stickers because it fills these little awkward gaps. Look how cute they look. I love my laptop, makes me so happy. Obviously Meryl gets pride of place in the middle. But yeah, everything's beautifully organised. All of the stock is counted. Last thing I need to do today is just add the product descriptions onto the website. I've already written them, I just need to copy them in, finish editing this video and upload it, and then I'm just ready. Whatever will be, and we're ready to go live. Yeah! So thanks for watching, guys. If you're watching this when the video goes live, 11 AM is your chance to pick up one of our best-selling Moving and Grooving tees, and I hope you love it, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the weekly vlog. Bye!